Journey begins in tropical pineapple fields. Fresh, yellow fruit, destined to become golden, dried slices.
Mature golden pineapples ready for harvest. Yellow fruit contains sweet flesh for drying.
Skilled harvesters cut golden pineapples carefully. Gentle harvest protecting fruit for premium dried product.
Golden pineapples fill collection bins. Careful gathering protecting fruit for drying process.
Fresh golden pineapples ready for processing. Yellow skin protects sweet flesh for drying.
Workers select only premium golden pineapples. Quality sorting for superior dried product.
Harvested golden fruits travel to collection center. Speed maintaining freshness for drying process.
Collection center aggregates plantation harvest. Golden pineapples gathered before factory transport.
Inspector verifies pineapple maturity. Bright yellow flesh indicates readiness for premium dried slices.
Quality approved golden pineapples loaded for factory. Only premium fruit for dried slices.
Golden pineapples journey to processing facility. Rapid transport preserving flesh for drying.
Processing facility receives fresh golden pineapples. Modern plant where fruit becomes golden dried slices.
Fresh golden pineapples unloaded rapidly. Speed preserving yellow flesh for premium dried product. Golden pineapples enter climate-controlled facility. Controlled conditions for consistent dried product quality. Rotating brushes clean golden pineapple exteriors. Sanitation, preparing fruit for processing. Clean golden pineapples emerge from washing. Sanitized fruit ready for peeling and slicing.
Automated peeling removes golden skin. Bright yellow flesh exposed for slicing. Peeled pineapples show bright yellow flesh. Golden fruit ready for core removal. Coring removes tough center from golden flesh. Yellow fruit cylinder ready for slicing. Cored pineapples show hollow golden cylinders. Bright yellow flesh ready for slice cutting.
Precision slicing creates uniform golden rings. Consistent thickness for even drying.
Fresh golden rings emerge from slicing. Bright yellow slices ready for drying process. Fresh golden slices advance to treatment. Bright yellow rings preparing for drying. Sulfite treatment preserves golden yellow color. Brief dip preventing browning during drying. Treated slices maintain bright golden color. Yellow rings ready for dehydration process. Golden slices arranged on drying trays. Uniform spacing ensuring even dehydration.
Loaded trays ready for dehydrator. Golden yellow slices positioned for drying process.
Trays enter controlled dehydrator. Golden slices beginning transformation to dried product. Controlled heat removes moisture from golden slices. Color intensifying as drying progresses.
Slices transform as moisture reduces. Golden color deepening. Texture becoming chewy. Temperature monitoring ensures perfect drying. Precise heat creating quality golden product.
Drying completion approaching. Rich golden slices achieving perfect moisture level.
Finished dried slices show perfect golden yellow. Chewy texture and slight translucence achieved.
Dried golden slices emerge from dehydrator. Perfect product advancing to cooling.
Dried golden slices cool to room temperature. Preparation for quality inspection and packaging.
Cool dried slices ready for inspection. Golden color and chewy texture perfected.
Moisture testing ensures proper dehydration. Golden slices verified for perfect water content.
Texture testing confirms perfect chewiness.
Golden slices showing ideal flexibility.
Inspectors verify golden color and texture. Quality ensuring perfect dried product. Expert tasters verify golden slice quality. Flavor and texture confirming premium product. Quality approved golden slices ready for packaging. Perfect dried pineapple verified.
Clear plastic bags prepared for golden slices. Transparent packaging displaying product.
Precise weighing ensures consistent portions. Golden dried slices accurately measured.
Golden dried slices fill clear bags. Chewy yellow rings visible through transparent packaging.
Filled bags display golden dried pineapple beautifully. Yellow chewy rings visible through clear packaging. Heat sealing preserves golden dried pineapple. Hermetic closure protecting quality.
Sealed bags protect golden dried slices. Clear packaging showcasing product quality.
Labels applied to dried pineapple packages. Product information completing presentation.
8 codes enable product tracking. Each golden slice package individually identified.
Completed package displays golden dried pineapple. Chewy yellow rings visible through clear bag. Inspectors verify package quality. Golden slices checked through clear packaging.
Quality approved packages ready for cases. Golden dried pineapple packaged individually. Shipping cases prepared for dried pineapple packages. Secondary packaging protecting bags.
Packages showing golden slices loaded carefully. Yellow chewy rings visible in arranged bags. Filled case shows dried pineapple packages inside. Golden rings visible through clear bags. Case sealed, protecting golden dried pineapple. Secure closure for shipping.
Labels identify golden dried pineapple contents. Distribution information applied. Labeled cases ready for palletizing. Golden dried pineapple staged for bulk packaging.
Pallets prepared for dried pineapple cases. Foundation for bulk packaging. Robotic stacking creates stable loads. Dried pineapple cases arranged precisely.
Layer building creates stable pallet. Golden dried pineapple cases stacked optimally.
Interlocking pattern creates stability. Dried pineapple case load optimized. Completed pallet reaches shipping height. Golden dried pineapple cases perfectly stacked. Wrapper secures dried pineapple pallet. Film protection beginning.
Clear film anchors to pallet base. Protection for golden dried pineapple.
Spiral wrapping unifies dried pineapple load. Transparent security. Labeled pallet identifies dried pineapple contents. Ready for storage.
Internal logistics moving dried pineapple to warehouse. Systematic transport.
Digital systems track dried pineapple inventory. Real-time management. System directs dried pineapple pallet to location. Organized navigation. Dried pineapple pallet positioned systematically. Strategic warehouse storage.
Golden dried pineapple protected in climate storage. Inventory secured.
Organized warehouse stores dried pineapple inventory. Multiple pallets secured.
First in, first out ensures product freshness. Systematic rotation.
Order fulfillment begins. Golden dried pineapple selected for customers.
Documentation accompanies dried pineapple shipments. Information enabling logistics.
Final inspection before dried pineapple departure. Quality protecting brand.
Inspector confirms golden dried pineapple quality. Yellow chewy rings visible through packaging.
Golden dried pineapple arranged, displaying quality. Chewy, semi-translucent rings perfected.
Security monitors dried pineapple inventory. Electronic protection continuous.
From fresh golden pineapples to dried slices. Complete transformation journey.
Premium dried pineapple in clear packaging. Golden chewy rings showcased beautifully. Quality metrics confirm dried pineapple excellence. Standards exceeded consistently.
Array of dried pineapple packages showcasing quality. Golden color consistent throughout.
Golden dried pineapple shows perfect texture. Chewy, semi-translucent quality achieved.
Consumer-ready presentation showcases dried pineapple. Golden rings visible through clear packaging.
Complete facility transforms pineapples to dried slices. Integrated production excellence.
Quality Seal certifies dried pineapple premium status. Excellence officially marked.
Sustainable practices in dried pineapple production. Environmental responsibility maintained.
Team excellence creates premium dried pineapple. Pride in quality production.
Innovation advances dried pineapple quality. Technology improving excellence.
Future vision, advancing dried pineapple excellence. Growth, maintaining quality. Nutritional value of golden dried pineapple. Health benefits, naturally preserved. Awards recognize dried pineapple quality. Excellence, officially acknowledged. Certifications confirm dried pineapple standards. Compliance officially documented. Warehouse at capacity with dried pineapple. Efficient storage, maximizing space.
Production complete from pineapple plantation to packaged dried slices. Golden yellow premium product ready for customers.
Journey complete from golden pineapples to premium dried slices. Manufacturing excellence achieved.
Complete operation from plantation to customer. Dried pineapple journey successful.